Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses, model BB0095s in color code 005. The color of the frame is green, and the lenses are gray. And these glasses are an oval shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved in the lens. The temples are also green, and you'll find the Balenciaga BB in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white that is made in Italy and the serial number of the frame. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Balenciaga hard case, and on the case is the Balenciaga logo, as well as on the inside. A Balenciaga cleaning cloth, and on the cloth is the Balenciaga logo, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.